Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, guys. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, very good afternoon, all of you. So, guys, where we stop in our yesterday's session?
The non-static block is completed.
Yeah. So, I think we wrote a difference, guys. Difference between static block and non-static block.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, successfully finished, guys. Two, not two actually, three important class members. That is variables, methods, and blocks. Okay. But not only that, guys. In the middle, we finish operators also, flow controls also. Correct? Okay. So now, guys, now, guys, today we will start. As I told you yesterday, today we are going to start one very important concept, brand new concept. Okay. And guys, especially you will get very good interest today in this topic. Okay. Pay attention, guys. Obviously, now don't feel like we are going to start constructors. That is fourth class member. That also we will start, but before that we have to discuss one thing, guys. Guys, tell me what is the partition of Java? Entire Java divided into two partition. Can you tell me what are those? Correct. That partition of Java is static member, non-static member. So, guys, variables can be static, methods can be static, blocks can be static. Guys, constructor is the member. Constructor is the member. Is always non-static in nature. Constructor never be static. Okay. Why, what, when, how, everything we will discuss later when we will start constructor topic. Okay. Right now, guys, only one part which you need to keep. Constructors are purely non-static in nature. A big brand heading, static control flow. Means how execution flow of static member will happen. Okay. Take this heading, guys. Static control flow. Done with the heading, everyone? Okay. So let me open our program. Okay. So guys, let me create a new file here. Observe. Now, let's say, guys, class demo static control flow. Can you understood short form, guys? Okay. Now, guys, I am going to write one very simple program. Okay. Now, don't copy the code immediately. Okay. First analyze the answer, then I will give you time to copy. So guys, let me make one program. Guys, now immediately don't copy, just observe. Okay. Guys, you only tell me, can I say in my entire program only static members are there? Yes or no? In my entire program only static members are there. Okay. So MMS main method starts, MME main method ends. So guys, now do one thing. Write down this program. Write down this program. Okay, first copy guys. Now only don't start to find out the answer. Okay, first write down the program, then analyze what will be the answer and drop your answer in a one single message. Don't be like half answer in one message, one SOPLN in one message. It is very difficult for me to track it. Okay. So give complete answer in one message only. Write down the program. Ah, guys, can you scroll down? That's it. Hmm. First, write down the program and tell me the answer. Now, guys, I am reading your answers, whatever the answer you drop. Okay. So, guys, can I run the program and show you? You guys cross check and tell me whose answer is correct. See, if it is right, drop the message as right. If it is wrong, drop the message as wrong. Okay. Is it okay, everyone? Is it okay, everyone? Okay. So, now, observe here. Observe here. So, let me just save this program in Java programs. Let's say demo SCF. All files. Click on save. Now here, go to command prompt. Java C demo SCF dot Java compilation Java demo SCF. Guys, whose answer is correct? Guys, it's wrong only. Everyone, did everyone drop the message? Now, guys, now you understood why I took static control flow as a separate topic. And I told you, na, it is very interesting. Okay. So, guys, it's completely okay. It's completely okay. Now, shall we understand, guys, in detail how this answer is coming? So ultimately, guys, how static control flow is. Okay, observe here. Observe here. So guys, this is our static control flow. Okay, and how this flow begins and what is the story, everything. So guys, now everyone pay attention. Okay, when I will ask, are you clear or not? Then update me. Okay. First rule for static control flow is, first of all, guys, why I am saying it is a static control flow? Because can you notice the class? All the members are static in nature. Yes or no? All the members are static in nature. So, guys, how static execution flow begins? That we are going to discuss it now. So, guys, first step is, is everyone understood? First step, JVM follows these steps, guys. JVM follows these steps. First step, identify main method in class. Okay. Now, after identifying main method, is second step is, okay, load all static member. Okay, listen it, guys, carefully. Load all static member into, or that's it, load all static member, okay, with their default values. Okay, this is rule number 2. This is rule number 2. Okay, guys, Now observe it neatly. How it is behaving. How it is behaving. Guys, I guess we should go to Paint. Otherwise, it is not possible to explain you on one screen. Just 2 minutes. Huh. Guys, can you see the code? Everyone? Okay. So guys, first step is identify main method in a class. Repeat. Are you static member? Can I say so? Can I say M1 method understanding? Okay. So let's say this is some memory allocated by M1 method. This is the memory allocated for M1 method. M1 points to this. And guys, at the same time, all piece of code will be loaded in this memory. Is everyone understanding? Is everyone understanding? All the pieces in this memory. Okay. So say this all piece of code, these all piece of code will enter in this memory, and M1 pointed towards this. Any confusion now up to this? Now, are you a static? Again, tell me guys. Next is main method. See, you are, even though it is main static. So guys, can I say few more memory allocated like this, yes or no? And now this time main pointed towards this. So main method happens. Everyone understanding? Is it? So all piece of code, whatever the piece of code you declare, this piece of code present in this main method. Guys, any problem? Any problem? Okay. So now after this, tell me, are you static? Yes. So why variable? So let's say this is okay. This is y variable. Is everyone clear up to this? And obviously value is 0. So guys, this is the status in a JVM memory up to execution step number 2. Okay. So guys, now third step is, now guys, once entire static members loads in a memory, once entire static member, again I am repeating my line guys, once entire static member loads in a memory with a, then guys JVM looks for static block, then JVM search for static block. Now guys, after this JVM search for execution of static block. A search for execution of static block and big story. Search for a static block, and during this search, update user defined values to the variable. Is everyone clear on this? Is everyone clear on this? Okay. So now again I will number 2. Let's go back to point number 2, guys. Let's go back to point number 2. Guys, can you able to read point number 2? Load all static member with their default value. Means in a memory, this is the status. Is everyone clear up to this? Up to this? Okay. So guys, can I say under this state, all the variables are with their default values only? Yes or no? All the variables are in their default values only. Okay. Okay. So guys, this is state of variable. Okay. Are you getting my point, guys? Observe this. This is state of variables. Okay, with their default value. This state again with their default value. This state of variable is called as read only state. What is the name of this state, guys? Read only state. Again, same here, read only state. Is everyone clear up to this? Okay. So guys, now see here I can add one sub point, guys. After this step, all variables are in read only state. So guys, if someone asks you what is the read only state of variables, can I say guys the state where all the variables are present with their default values? Yes or no? The state where all the variables are exist with their default value. Okay, variables are exist with their state is called as read only variable. Okay, in short guys, R O After this, SOP ln of x plus y. So 0 plus 10 is 10 only. And after this, M1 finish. Is everyone clear up to this? Okay. This line done. This line done. Now, again, guys, controller go back to the static block. M1 is finished. Then SBR. So can I say print the value of SBR? Print value of SBR. After that, SOP ln of x value updated. So 10. And now can I say, guys, again x value updated as 15. So 10 is gone and new value is 15. Any problem, guys? Tell me. Any problem, guys? Okay. Now, still, guys, step 3 is not finished. Now see, SOP ln of x done. After that, x become 15. This is also done. Come out. Then it will ask, are you static block? Tell me. Next line, is it static block? No, it is a M1 method. Next, are you static block? No, it is a main method. Next, are you static block? No, but it is a static variable. Block is not there, but static variable. So guys, can I say now 25 allocated to the Y? Is everyone clear on this? Okay. So guys, and now finally here you will get value as 25. And finally, can I say guys values is in read and write state? Now finally y is in read and write state. Any confusion, guys? Is everyone clear on this? Okay. So now guys, once this part is done, so let me finish. Now in this step, all static block executes sequentially. In this step, all static block execute sequentially, and during this search, okay, update programmer provided values to variable. That is bring all variables from RO state to R and W state. Can you understand the short form, guys? Okay. RO state means read only state to R and W state. Okay. So guys, can I say the state where variables are with user provided value? The state where variables are with user provided value, such a state is called as R and W state. Nothing but read and write state. Any confusion up to this? Guys, is everyone understanding how execution flow happens inside JVM? Okay. Now, next is step number 4. Now, guys, can I say start execution of main method? Finally, main method execution is starting. And now, guys, you only tell me after this main method execution starts. So, MMS. So, here I will write, guys, output is MMS. After MMS, again it is calling M1 method. So, now, guys, can I say Y value is 25? Hey, guys, yes or no? After this M1 method, updated in a memory. So guys, here 25. After this, x is 15. After this, x plus y, 25 plus 15, 40. And after this, M1 finish. M1 finish. And after that, main method end. Guys, is compiler showing same output? Someone from showing same output? Tell me. Correct, no? 0, 10, 10. Let's cross check. Let's cross check. See, 0, 10, 10. M1 finish, SBR 10. After this, MMS 25, 15, 14. M1 finish, MN method end. Guys, this is whole and soul concept of, okay? This is whole and soul concept of static control flow. Any confusion in static control flow? Okay. So, guys, first write down this flow and then copy the answer present in a paint. First write down this flow. Yes, correct, Pratiksha. That is only the concept. Okay, first it will not go for static block. Static block execution comes in a third step. Before that, this all drama happens. Okay, and guys, now don't worry, this is a final concluded execution flow. Now we will not make any changes. I know. Firstly, we observe execution from main method. Then we see execution from static block. Now this is the real execution. Okay. Anirudh, okay, where we use this type of code. Anirudh, our every program will have this type of code only. Static variable, static method, static block. So we should aware now how execution flow happens. Now, guys, done with the copy? Everyone? Guys, done with the copy? Everyone? Okay. Now, write down this. Deepak, for string default value is null, na? Aditi, block never loads in a JVM memory. That is the speciality of a static block. Not only static block, any block never loads in a memory. Yes, Aditi. Because Java executes the code line by line. That's the reason that fellow will go line by line.
पापा का है कहाँ है नहीं पापा दिल्ली दिल्ली तो बैठ के जाना क्या बाजू
Turn off your mic. Ramesh sir, turn off your mic. Huh. Guys, done with the copy? Everyone? Okay. So guys, now any confusion in a static control flow? Pakka? Okay. So guys, now if I give you one question, give me the answer of this. Observe. So guys, here what I will do, let's say now here SOP ln of y plus z plus a plus x. So let's say here static int a equals to 15. Okay. Let's say no need of this extra MMS, MME. I hope you can understand this. And now, okay. Guys, tell me the output now. Write down the program. Tell me the output. Now don't commit any mistake, guys. Observe the points neatly. Same way you have to calculate execution. Guys, everyone drop the answer. I think people are still counting. Guys, give answer fast. Guys, so should I run the program? And just like cross check your answer and tell me how many are correct. So let me just save it. Compile. No problem. Execute. How many got this output? So, guys, finally got the concept, everyone. I hope maximum of you are correct only. Okay, maximum all of you are correct only. So, guys, it's still very simple, guys. Very simple. Observe here. Maybe chances are there few people still having confusion. Still, first it will find main method. Then load all static member. So x, observe here guys, x becomes 0. Next a becomes 0. Yes or no guys? Initially z becomes 0. Guys, can you see my screen? Y becomes 0. Okay. So guys, now after this, search for static block. This is not static block, but user defined, so it become 10. After this, enter in static block, call M1 method. And guys, here only biggest twist. Can I say Y, Z, A all are with read-only state? All are with 0, 0, 0, and output is 10. Okay. After that, x value is already 10. X plus Y already 10. And then M1 finish. Then come back here, SBR. After that, okay, this is not a static block, but A become 15. Guys, is everyone clear on this? Okay. This is also not a static block, but Z become 5. Y become 25. Is everyone clear on this? And finally, in a main method starts, you are calling M1 again. So now guys, 10 plus 10, 20, 25 plus 25, 50 plus 5, 55, then 10, and then 35. Any confusion in this? Okay. Guys, write it down. Write down the output. Guys, everyone done with the copy? So, guys, now, is everyone clear with static control flow? Tell me, is everyone clear with static control flow? Okay. So, guys, now see, in this static control flow, one small twist is there, guys. Okay. Maybe chances are there in an interview you may can get a tricky question. Okay. Even though you know entire static control flow, but still here mistake chances of happening mistake is very high. Okay. One very small twist is there, guys. Let me show you. Let me show you, guys. So observe here. Guys, now what I will say. Let's say I am having Z here. I am not having this M1 method and all the drama. M1 method gone. SBR. After SBR, here Z and here X. Okay. Here I am not giving anything, just simply main method. Okay. If you want, let's say MMS, that's it. Okay. Now guys, observe this case neatly. Can I say according to our logic, output will come something like this? Yes or no? Like, let me make it comment. So, can I say here SBR? After that, 0. After that, 10. And after that, MMS. Tell me guys, this is only the output or not? Okay. Now, guys, before coming to the conclusion, always remember one part, guys. What I'm trying to say, what I'm explaining, try to get it 100%. Okay. See, guys, in a previous programs and this program, one small change is there, guys. And that small change is read only state value I am fetching from a blocks. But up to now, I am fetching from a methods. Yes or no? Check first program. I am calling y from M1 method. Check previous program. All read only values I am fetching from M1 method. But can I say now I am fetching from a block? Yes or no? Now I am fetching from a block. Okay. So guys, here what is the twist in a story? Tell me guys, read only state of variable. Can I say exist in a JVM memory? Yes or no? Exist in a JVM memory with a default value. Okay. When a user define values given to the variable, then that variable exposed to the entire program. Are you understanding this fact? When user define values are allocating, then that variable exposed to entire program. But until value is not allocated, that variable is belongs to JVM only. So now tell me guys, static variable can happily access X, but static block can happily access X, but how static block can access Z guys? Because static block not present in a memory only na. Is a static block present in a JVM memory? If it is present in JVM memory, it can fetch the value from X, fetch the value from Z. But guys, as a static block never loads in JVM memory, so static block can fetch only those values which are exposed to the program, means which are under read and write state. Are you understanding, guys? This variable will go in RNW state. So static block can access only X, but cannot access Z. Is everyone understanding? Static block cannot access value from read only state because static block never goes in a JVM memory. Those are not present in a JVM memory. So block can access only those values which are above the block. Very simple guys. Whatever the variables present above the block, obviously those variable goes in RNW state, and only those variables static block can fetch. If you try to fetch a data from a read-only state, means which is after a block, see this is after a block, this is also code after a block, then we will get illegal forward reference error. Compiler says you are illegal manner going forward. Is everyone clear on this? Are you getting compile time error? So got the guys small little twist. If any time someone asks you in an interview such a tricky question, so always remember whether you are calling read only state variable from a block or not. If you are calling from a block, illegal forward reference error. If calling from a method, then it will work fine as per our rule. Is everyone clear on this? Is everyone clear on this? Right on this case? Okay. See, guys, I'll explain you again. Maybe I thought you guys got a clear clarity, so you can easily understood. But you are facing a problem. I'll explain it again. Let's start from a scratch level. Let's start from a scratch level. First, it will identify main method. Then it will load all the static member. So x become 0. X become 0. So RO state. Then after that, this is never load in a JVM memory. This is loads in a JVM memory. So Z become 0. Both are in read only state. Is everyone clear up to this? Is everyone clear up to this? Ravi, is everyone clear up to this? Okay. So after this, JVM looks for static block. During this search, update user defined values. So are you static block? No, but are you static variable? Yes. So 0 become 10. Means can I say X goes in R and W state? Can I say X goes in R and W state? Can I say X goes in R and W state? Okay. So now guys, after this, it will go in static block. So as per the rule of JVM, whatever the variable are in R and W state exposed to the entire program. This variable in RO state, so only those member can access this variable who are present in a JVM memory. Is a static block present in a JVM memory? So tell me, scan Z to fetch the value of Z. Will JVM allow static block to enter in a JVM memory and fetch the value Z as 0? That means you are illegally moving forward. That's the reason illegal forward reference error. And just for your clarification, I am saying this. Whatever the variable are declared above the static block, obviously those variable will go in R and W state before the execution of static block. So that's the reason those variables can easily access. But if variable declare below the static block, obviously they will go in R and W state after execution of static block, because JVM executes the code line by line. So that's the reason these members are not accessible in static block. This Z cannot be accessed here. Is everyone clear on this? Okay. So guys, now let me remove this and let's write one important conclusion. Hey guys, is everyone done with the copy? Case? Everyone clear up to this? Is everyone clear on these 2 points? Okay. Guys, write down this. Ah, guys, done with the copy? Okay. So, guys, give me now one final confirmation. Is everyone clear on static control flow? Is everyone clear on static control flow? Okay. So, guys, the main agenda to cover this topic is, you only tell me, guys, at least we should aware na which member will take a part in a execution at what time. Yes or no? Sunita, I am showing notes only. This is only the notes, Sunita. You cannot see in a screen. After this, nothing is there. Ah, so guys, is everyone clear on that? Okay. So, guys, now today we will stop here, and tomorrow, guys, we will start with a fourth class member, that is constructor. Now you will think, guys, sir, static control flow. Where is non-static control flow? Guys, non-static control flow is also there, but for that we have to finish all non-static members. Yes or no? We have to finish all the non-static members. Okay, that we will finish in. That we will finish in. That we will start in tomorrow's class. Is everyone clear on this? Now, is it okay, Nanda? This is only na you want. Then which one? This one. Ah, take the pick. Okay. Fine, guys. See you in tomorrow's session. So let's start with tomorrow last class member, that is constructor.